Hi guys, welcome to SuNPe's channel. I'm Sophia.
I'm Iris.
Today we're gonna talk about vacuum casting. So Iris, do you know how we do that?
I know it's also called silicone mold, but not very sure about the process.
Then I will show you here. Let's go.
There are two workshops in SuNPe. Here is our first workshop. We have 5 vacuum casting machines at present. The maximum size that our machine can make is 2.2 meter as to 1.2 meter as to 1 meter. Let's go to the second workshop. At present, the maximum weight we can do is 7 kilograms. There are 3 steps to do vacuum casting. At first, we will make master by CNC machine or 3D printing. Then use this master to do a silicone mold. The master is mounted within a frame and liquid silicone cast surrounding. After curing, the master is cut out to leave a cavity. PU material can be casted under vacuum to get final products. Sophia, I have a question. If the customer would like to get some more duplicate parts, there is no need to make another master or silicone mold.
Correct. We can keep the silicone mold for our customers half a year. We would like to show you more. Let's continue.
Oven mold is the common way to bond the parts permanently. Like this insert oven mold, we put it in the silicone mold to casting together. We can change different colors and adjust different diameters in the same mold. The color will be also durable in this way. If you like the parts look beautiful and wearable, we can also paint on the final products. One master can usually make 5 silicone molds, and 1 silicone mold can cast 20 times. Load this watch band project. After the mold, you will see the band and metal insert bond security. Not only metal insert, but soft material and hard plastic can be also overmolded. To save cost and time, we can also make multi-cavity mold for small parts to get multiple copies quickly. Can those small parts with similar features be put in the same silicone mold? Yes, we call it family mold, which can speed up our processing time. Here are some samples of casting projects we did for our customers. We also have these PU material samples to send to our customers for reference. There are many choices like ABS, PP, PC, PMMA, and soft material, etc. Please feel free to contact us if you need it.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, just leave a like or comment. See you next time.